Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. Today I will explain a second example about angle between parallel lines, and that means you have to review what are interior alternate angles, exterior alternate, what are vertical angles, what are supplementary angles, and what is the concept of co-interiors, right? So you have to bear in mind all those definitions to solve this exercise. Also, you need to bear in mind that the sum of the interior angles in any triangle is 180. So I invite you to watch this video. I will explain another exercise taken from the IGCSE test. And welcome, I will begin the explanation now. The exercise says BCD and EFG. BCD is here, BCD. So this line and EFG, EFG, that is a straight line, are parallel lines. So this line is parallel to this one. That means we can make alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, we can have supplementary angles, we can have vertical angles, we can have co-interior angles, and also corresponding angles, okay? So based on that, we will try to solve the question. It says calculate the value of y. So we need to calculate this value, but we have to play with the things we have, okay? According to the things we have that this angle is 110. So that means the angle C, which is this one, is vertical with this one. That means this angle C is also 110 degrees. So I'm going to start marking that. So this angle, sorry, I have technical problems. So it means this angle, yes, is also 110 degrees. Yes, because these two angles are vertical. If this is 110, that means this angle is also 110. Why? Because those angles are alternate interiors. This angle and this angle are alternate interiors, right? And the other reason is because this angle and this angle are corresponding. So you can see it in both ways. So if this is 110, guys, if this is 110, yes, this angle, it means the angle X is supplementary with the angle 110. Supplementary means that in both, when we add, we get 180 degrees. How much is missing to 110 to get 180 degrees? 70 degrees. So the measurement of X is 70 degrees. Okay, 70 degrees. I don't know, maybe we will need that. The question is get the value of y. Let's see what happened. So if this is 110 and this is a supplementary angle, yes, so it means this angle is 70 degrees. Yes, because 110 and this part makes supplementary angles, and supplementary angles measure 180 degrees. So this is 70 degrees. And I want you to see something, guys. This shape is a triangle, as you see, right? According to a property of triangles, the sum of the interior angles, so it means the angle A plus the angle D plus this angle, which is 70, will be measured 180 degrees. Yes, that's the property. So what happened with this angle? If you see this angle is not well defined, it has a variable X, but we discover here what is X, right? So we can substitute to discover which is the measurement of this angle, right? So what is the measurement of this angle? So we have to substitute the value of X there. Let's substitute the value of X in this equation. Well, it's not an equation, it's a math expression, okay? So we have x minus 40, but we know, we have already discovered which is the measurement of x. X is 70 degrees, as you see. So we have 70 minus 40, and 70 minus 40 is 30. It means this angle, yes, is 30 degrees. And finally, as you know, as I told you before, the property of the interior angles in any triangle, so this angle plus this angle plus this angle will be measured 180 degrees. That's a property. So we have that y, yes, y plus 30 plus 30 plus 70 must be equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So it means that y plus, we combine like terms, 30 and 70, that is 100, must be equal to 180. Yes? So we move the 100 to the other side using inverse operation. So we have that y is equal to 180 minus 100. And that means y is equal to 80. Yes? Y is equal to 80 degrees. And that's all, right? We have already solved the question. All right, guys? Thanks for watching this video. I expect you to watch the next one. Again, thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you next time. Bye-bye.